in the heart of Bandung, where nature's beauty has been revered through the ages. The pristine landscapes have endured the test of time. They stand as a testament to the enchantment of this land, recognizing this. Agung Podomoro Land has undertaken a noble commitment to construct a modern residential enclave that harmoniously embraces the essence of nature. Living in Podomoro Park is like walking hand in hand with the purity of unpolluted air in the embrace of a serene oasis where luxury and convenience meld seamlessly, rivaling even the grandeur of a 6-star facilities. Podomoro Park Bandung is not just a place to reside, it's a promise to elevate your quality of life. Our commitment is unwavering as we strive to deliver the very best to you. We are here for those who yearn for a life filled with happiness and unrivaled quality. Where every day is a romance with nature, and every moment is an ode to the sublime. Podomoro Park. Harmony with nature.